everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on a five-way stop. In this video, I'll be going over the basics and telling you what to do at a five-way stop. Now, where I live, these are hard to come across, but I'm actually going to be approaching one, and I will be telling you what to do. Now, essentially, the process, and I'm going to go and approach that five-way stop right now, the process is going to be very, very similar to a four-way stop. It's actually the same thing, except you're incorporating an additional direction. So as I approach the stop, I'll tell you exactly what to do. As you are approaching the stop sign, you want to prepare to stop, obviously. And if you are going to be turning, you're going to signal, check your rear view mirror, check your side mirror, and check your blind spot, okay? And as you approach that stop sign, you're gonna come to a complete stop. You're gonna start scanning the intersection as you approach, okay? And then when you come to the stop, you're gonna scan all of the directions plus left again. So let me just demonstrate right now. I'm approaching the five-way stop. This one actually has a left, a straight, and then two that branch off towards the right, plus my direction that I'm on right now. So I've come to a stop. I'm gonna go straight, but this is what I do at the five-way stop, okay? I'm gonna be scanning left, straight, straight again, right, left. So basically, like, there's five directions, right? I'm already on one side of the intersection, so there's four remaining. So it's basically going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to one again, okay? Now I'm going to make this turn, and we will approach the five-way stop again. So as you saw right there, I signaled, I checked my mirrors and my blind spot, and I made the turn, okay? So I turned left over there. Now, once again, at a five-way stop, it's the same thing as approaching a four-way stop, except when you're scanning. Like, if you approach a four-way stop, you're gonna go left, straight, right, left, right? And, you know, you're scanning all of the directions plus the first one again. At a five-way stop, you're scanning the four additional directions in addition to the one that you're on right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going back to one again. And as you go back to the first one, right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna sweep across. So I scan 1, 2, 3, 4. When I go back to one, I sweep across. Very simple. Now this time, I will actually go straight when I approach the five-way stop. Like I said, now like, a lot of people wait until they get to the stop sign to scan the intersection. That's not the way that it's done. You're gonna scan, come to a complete stop, and then scan again, okay? So this is not the five-way stop, but now I will be approaching it, and I'm gonna go straight this time, okay? I turn left, now I'm gonna go straight. So there's actually a car in front of me, so I have to stop behind them, right? I'm gonna scan as I'm approaching the stop sign. No signal is needed right now. Now I'm gonna scan the directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Good to go. Going straight again. And I also take a quick glance as I actually go through the intersection. I just do a quick, like, 1, 2 as I go through the intersection. And that's essentially it. I mean, it's really the same process as a four-way stop, but you're adding in an additional factor, an additional direction. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.